Hey guys, so this is the basic look of the beta version right now. So the real one's always gonna look like this. You can kind of see that it's a little bit different, obviously. You can see the icons have changed. For some reason Final Cut Pro is not working at the moment, but this is the beta version, so don't worry about it. Once the real version will come out, we'll do a review on that and tell you what works, what doesn't. The look of it, it's a little bit different. Finder, you can see that it's different as well. I have to say I don't like it that much. It kind of goes with the iPhone type of thing. Kind of minimal, and at the same time it's not. So, so this is how Finder looks like. Let me just close this up. Let me show you this. So there's the spotlight. I'm not sure if I like this that much, but that's okay, I guess. So let's say I want to, just find Photoshop. It'll find me Photoshop just like this. It's okay. I mean, I don't mind it that much, but I did like it. Just leave it up here. Why put it in the middle of my screen? Don't see it that necessary. So something else that we're gonna see, Launchpad, same type of deal that you have there. Okay, so that's your Launchpad. Other than that, that's your basics. If you are running the beta, make sure to run any questions you have to Apple directly from Feedback Assist, okay? And make sure to send your stuff. So I'm just gonna send something right now that I found the problem with it, and so put accept, send it to Apple, and that's it, okay? So that's the basic look that you guys are gonna see. We're gonna get into it a little bit more right now. Okay, guys. So once again, this is just your feedback to Apple that's sending. Here you're gonna see, your basic stuff. You can see that there's some differences on the look of it. Just gonna get out from this. We're gonna look at battery a bit. Some things are a little bit bigger than others. Feedback sent. We're done with that. I'm just gonna minimize this. I'm still looking for stuff that's wrong with it, that's not working, such as Final Cut Pro for some reason. Your mail, I'm not gonna open that right now, but if you go to iPhoto, for example, I'm gonna go into Systems Preferences. So the icons have changed some. Not for all, I mean not all your applications will change, but if you go to your system stuff, that will change significantly some of your things right there. Basically there are some upgrades and downsides to doing this. So your iPhoto and all that stuff should still open the same way, okay? If you go to Mission Control, for example, you're gonna see everything pretty much the same thing. If you go into Dock, same type of deal. Let me just go into more of the settings so you guys can see. We're gonna put one of the new wallpapers available. That's it. I mean, those are this really simple stuff that I'm showing you guys right now, just to let you see what differences there are. For right now, since this is the beta version, I can't really tell you on speed. Speed's okay. The Mac will do a performance test as well later on, just to see that everything's okay. We're gonna see if they added more gestures or something. Everything seems to be the same. For your trackpad, everything should be the same as well. We shouldn't see any changes there. We're gonna go back on it. For internet accounts, extensions, there's some variation on iCloud. There should be some variations on iCloud since there's the iCloud drive, okay? So there will be a little difference here where you can see, there we go, iCloud drive, okay? So we don't have that turned on. I suggest not turning it on just as of yet, but you can if you want to. Okay, that's the difference with iCloud. Your app store should be the exact same type of deal, okay? So you can do your settings from there. General, same type of thing. We're gonna go into our notepad, for example. I'm just gonna open that up. Okay. And you can see this. That was one of the differences that they were gonna make, but as we can see, it's not a huge deal. Okay. We're gonna open up Safari, something that everybody uses. Of course, a lot of you use Firefox as well, since you like it a lot. I like Safari, so has been turned off. We're just gonna put OK for now. Okay. Okay, so you can see there are no major differences here. We can open up another window, and we're gonna go directly into Google.ca, and we're gonna open up another one that says YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna open up. So I'm just making more of these. You can press on the X right here, or you can just press Command T to make more windows. Okay. If you go back and forth on pages, so let's say I go click on here, you're gonna see this type of look right now. Let's say I go to Wikipedia. Well, let's say click on it again, and this is actually my stuff. So these are pretty cool. This is actually a lot like iPad or iPhone, let's say. So they're making it more visual. Okay, a little bit more. There we go. So I'm just going to different websites. I'm gonna go back and forth on them just by swiping my finger, just to see if that works fine, and it seems to be working just fine with it. From Safari itself, you can see that the look is a little bit different. Yeah, I like it a bit. Yeah, like I can see liking this design a little bit more. It's a little bit more minimal, so I do like that. Under applications, we're just gonna see what problems we have with some of the applications while you guys take a look how this looks like. Of course, you guys are gonna see some stuff really big like this. This is huge. Before, you know, it's a lot smaller. Right now, these are pretty big, I have to say. Same thing with icons. They kind of went bigger. I didn't have them that big before. But anyways, just gonna go into this. And with icons that we're gonna have problems, programs, apps, we're gonna see this X right here on compressor. That was working fine on Mavericks. Once we go down, you don't see any other obvious problems within the other apps. Once again, this is the beta version, so there might be some problems with some of the apps. You don't see Final Cut Pro for some reason here, so we're just gonna look for it. Applications. That's something that we use a lot, but it's not here, so that's fine. I guess that's okay. Okay, back into your Mac. Basically, it's not a huge change that you're gonna see from it. You still have this on the side. Okay, if you swipe your fingers, you're gonna see the same type of deal here. You're also gonna see, yeah, it seems like I have just two of my things open, so that's a problem. So there's two desktops open right now, so that was a problem. But anyways, so this is a quick look into it. You guys can see there's no major upgrade. It's a bit more minimal. Some things are a bit more minimal. Some things are a little bit too big for my taste. It could have been a bit smaller. I will change my screen resolution just to make everything a little bit smaller. I don't like it to be that big. It just seems like too much for kids. Okay, not too serious right there. Anyways, besides that, it's been working fine. I just showed you how to install it. If you guys have any questions, problems, just email me here below. I should say, leave your comment here below. Don't email me. And remember, any questions, comments, errors, just leave them here below. We will contact Apple to let them know if you guys are having issues with the beta version. For some reason, your feedback is not working. Let me know once again here on YouTube so I can contact Apple directly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.